In this video, I am visiting a farm not too far away from my house as they are working ground and planting soybeans. In this video, they are running their two Case 2390 tractors. The first one up here is pulling a 22-foot wide international disc with a 24-foot Unverferth rolling harrow behind it. I got here right as he was finishing up the end row, so I did not get a lot of footage of this, but in the next field over, they were planting with their other 2390, pulling a John Deere 15-foot 750 drill. A little history on the Case 2390 tractors. These were built by J.I. Case out of Racine, Wisconsin from 1979 to 1983. In 1983, these tractors sold for approximately $58,700. These are powered with an 8.3-liter 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine rated at around 160 PTO horsepower. These had a 12-speed partial power shift transmission in them. And you got to say, these tractors both look pretty good for their age. They tell me they only run these tractors about 100 hours a year, so should last them for a long, long time yet to come. They were just wrapping up for the evening while I was here, but it did rain. I was able to come back a couple days later and get some more footage of the 2390 pulling the John Deere drill. We'll watch them finish up disking these end rows, then we'll head over to the other tractor and the drill, get some footage, and as I said, I come back a few days later and was able to actually get the tractor and the drill in this field he's disking right here. Now, let's watch this farm's other 2390 here pulling the drill. I believe they were trying to get the drill cleaned out here at the end to change varieties before they went to the next field. That's why the guy is riding on the back there. But anyways, we'll watch him. He's going to head back to the farm, and then as I said earlier, I'll be back in a few days. And check out this sweet 1980s model Chevrolet truck out here in the field that they haul their seed in. And that's going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.